ABC summary, or alphabet summary, is a strategy you can use for summarization. It's important because adults need to summarize their new learning in order to retain it, so it's very helpful for cementing the information that you just shared with your participants. Here's how to do an ABC summary. First, preset large pieces of chart paper that have blank grids with each letter of the alphabet in one square. Then, get your learners into groups using any grouping strategy you like. Have one group at each piece of chart paper. Give them 1 minute to fill in the chart with as many concepts or topics or examples from the day as they can. They have to match the topic to the letter of the alphabet. So, if we studied math manipulatives, they might write math manipulatives next to the letter M. They fill in as many squares as they possibly can in 1 minute, then you have them rotate. So they're going to go to a new alphabet chart that is partially filled out, because remember, they only had 1 minute to do it. They fill in as many of the blank squares as they possibly can in their next minute. Then they rotate. And this continues until every group has been at all of the stations and they're back at their original one. Once they're back at their original station, they'll read what everyone else wrote into their original chart. So if they filled out 12 letters, now they have the remaining 14 that they can read. Here's why you might want to do an ABC summary. Firstly, it is a wonderful way to get learners to recall what they learned or discovered or discussed over the course of your session. Remember, adult learners do need to summarize information in order to make it stick. Secondly, it's a wonderful way of gamifying learning. You'll be surprised at how much fun your learners have as they try and recall different letters of the alphabet and connect them to concepts, especially when there's that time crunch of 1 minute. Finally, it helps share knowledge. So what one group recalled for the letter L, another group might have recalled something completely different. And this allows people to see what the other groups wrote and thought of, which just shares the knowledge. It just spreads around that summarization of learning and shows that learners actually did discuss and discover plenty of topics throughout your session. Try an ABC summary at your next workshop.